What is up guys, Alex here back in another video. Today we got the Hero 8 Black in our hands right now. We're going to be unboxing it and looking at all the specs and features. And yeah, well, let's get started right now. So here we are. This is like the more like environmental friendly type packaging. So right off the bat, we have the GoPro logo. It's all in a cardboard box. We already see the camera over here. This is the Hero 8 camera. I'm not sure if the specs are yet. This is how it looks like. It does have like these two tongs at the bottom where you can connect all the accessories. It all started with this camera and now the Hero 9 and 10 have them. I'm gonna peel these off right here. 1, 2, and for the best part, 3. This is the camera. Hero 9 is way bigger than this one. LCD screen and whatever this type of screen is called. Over here in the box, we have a box of accessories. So we're gonna have to remove this one first. Let's just open that right now. Here it is. We got some instructions right off the bat. Here it is of how to install the camera, turn it on, get it ready, and charge and more. Over here, we got the warranty and instructions book, or yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just a warranty. So moving on here, we get a free lanyard. I cannot believe we got one of these. We also got the battery that comes in with it. This is way smaller than the Hero 9 and 10 battery. This is how it looks like. Pretty cool. We got the GoPro standard charger, and we as well one of these mounts and the basic accessory mount. We're going to be opening up this and setting it up later in a video, but right here are the two tongs you can put all the accessories on. But yeah, this is how it works. You basically take your accessory and then put one of these locking devices through it. You screw it up, make sure you get the good angle, tighten it, and here it is. The Hero 9, the Hero 10 have horizon leveling. This one doesn't. Here's the battery, charger, everything that comes in with the normal Hero 8 standard box. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Everything you see here came in with the Hero 8. All these boxes and this, but these are the main things that came in. Lanyard, battery, charger, this mount, and this screw that like puts all the accessories on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna be doing more tests in the future and everything. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another video.